Almost everyone we talk to these days is complaining about how hard it is to understand what actors are saying on TV shows and online movies. Booster is designed specifically to solve that problem. We call it Booster because it boosts the level of human speech above the background sound effects like explosions and the film score, while at the same time remaining an outstanding audiophile system for music. We get emails and reviews every day telling us how Booster is changing people's lives. Customers are surprised they can finally hear details in their favorite music they've never heard before, happy that they're no longer fighting with a spouse over what we call volume wars, and how fast and easy it is to set up. Booster Basic is the place to start if you want to add speakers to your TV for clean, clear dialogue at any volume. But you don't need or want lots of bass. It's perfect for bedrooms, small rooms, kitchens, dens, or multi-room audio. Booster 1 adds a sub, and Booster 2 uses the Mod 2 double orb speakers. Both of these are room-filling, full-range sound for medium or large rooms.